Hey guys, my name is Shelby and I'm a librarian at the Boonsick Regional Library in Warsaw. As you can see, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make pencil wands. This is a super cool and easy craft that you can do at home, and it'll make your pens and pencils look awesome for when school starts. Here are the items that you'll need. Some pens or pencils, it doesn't matter which, and they don't have to be brand new. A hot glue gun with some glue sticks, you're going to need quite a few of those. And then some acrylic paint. Now, an optional step at the end is to use a top coat of the clear spray paint, and that'll help prevent your paint from chipping. Once you have your materials ready, you can go ahead and plug in your hot glue gun and warm it up. This will take about 5 minutes. Then you're gonna get out your pens or your pencils, whatever you're working with, and you're gonna wanna start gobbing the glue all the way at the top. Now, you wanna be careful because as soon as that glue gets on there, it's gonna start running down. So I like to keep circling the pencil as I was adding glue. Also, if you add too much, it'll drip off, so you wanna be careful not to burn yourself. What I did on some of my designs is I made these cool little circles around just to give it some texture, and then I also put glue on the sides, and I ran the hot tip of the glue gun and kind of scratched up the glue, and it made a really cool woody texture. And once you get it painted, it looks really neat. Once your wand is completely designed and your glue is set, you're ready for paint. Now you can do a more natural looking wand, or you can go crazy and do neon colors. But here's a few examples of what I did. This one looks a little bit more natural. I used a brown base coat, and then I did some green detail on the top to make it look a little mossy. And this one has the woody texture. And I used the drip down effect. So I put glue at the top and I just let it run down. I would let that dry, and then I added a few drips on the side to give it a little bit more detail. It turned out really great. The second one I made is a metallic wand. I used a gray base coat, and then I used a silver metallic paint to go over the top. I made these balls on here for the wand handle, and it gave it a really cool grip. And then I did the woody texture again on the side here, and I made it a little bit more crazy than the wood one, but I think it turned out really cool. Now on the last one that I made, it's a little bit more dark, and I used a black base coat here, and then I used gray over the handle and the twist, and I took some gray or the silver metallic paint and just went over that handle and the twist again there, and so it just made the accent stand out just a little bit more. And I don't know, it kind of came out a little rough, and maybe something a Death Eater would use. I think it's pretty neat. Okay guys, well there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to make these pencil wands, and I really hope you try this at home. And also, make sure you keep an eye out on our Facebook page and our website at www.boonsickregionallibrary.com. Thanks for watching.